Good morning. I am filming from the GoPro 7. I've had it for weeks, and this is the first time I've been able to get out to film, basically. But yeah, for all the new subscribers, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the Wales footage, and this is one reason why I've gone out and bought the GoPro 7, because it was just too bumpy. Maybe it was where I had it on my helmet, well, I don't know. But anyway, I've got it now, so I'm literally just going to test it out, go down here. I can't go mad because my arm is still knackered, and like a naughty boy, I've not been and had it sorted. So oh yeah, as well, the reason why I did buy this camera is because of the, I think it's called like Super Smooth, and it stops all the bouncing. I didn't want a gimbal because I find gimbal works on an axis and it's not natural enough. I'll see what this is like anyway. I'm interested. I'm only filming on 30 frames, 1080 4K 30 frames. So we'll see how it does. I don't want to go 60 because it might just completely trash my laptop. I need to upgrade my laptop as well. So here. Don't know if that's at the right angle. Loads of people going down the trail when I go down. There is a road bit, but that's boring. I've nearly had a few joggers on this trail. It's only tiny, but like I say, I think it's got Super Smooth. I think I put Super Smooth on 30 frames per second, 4K. Yeah, we'll see. It's just 30 frames. It's just easier for my computer to manage. It's running a bit slow, it's getting a bit old, so I need to update it. Something a bit faster. Now another lady's gone down there with a dog. Like I say, I just wanted to test the stability of it, the colour when it goes into the shade and things like that, because it's pretty dark in here. I know GoPros, whoa, don't like the shade. They thrive off of sunny conditions. I'll get through here and not scare this lady. Sorry love, can I pass? It's alright, I just didn't want to scare the life out of you. Cheers, thank you. Yeah, so it's a bit risky. That's why I like bike parks. Do you know, apart from people standing on the track. Oh, be careful of the arm, boy. I did see some hikers coming down here. Around that puddle. So I've only got jeans on today. Oh, that hurts. Bulldog, bulldog, bulldog. Oh, I love it. Whoa, vlog. Skate park.
Don't forget, if anybody is unfortunate enough to stay in an injury or feel unwell,
Yes, enjoy yourself this morning. Yeah, the reason why I didn't get GoPro 6 because there wasn't really much in price, and I was really interested in this super smooth thing, but I'm going to pull you up now because it's scaring the life out. Hopefully that gives you a rough idea of what the GoPro 7 is like. I can't wait to get it on a trail, but at least it's a bright day to test it and no more bumping about. So if you suffer with epilepsy or anything, you're watching a 10-minute video, it could put you into seizure apparently. So well, I got run over right there, right where that slow sign is.